Welcome to DigiBuddy. In this video, I will be explaining how you can use GPT-4 for free. So, on March, Microsoft confirmed that the new Bing runs on OpenAI's GPT-4, and that's what we will be doing in this video. For that, open your Edge browser and click on the Bing icon on the top right corner. If you are a new user, you will be asked to log in and you will be added to whitelist, and you have to wait for some days to get this feature. For existing user, this feature will already be available. And then here you can see there are three different options: more creative, more balanced, and more precise. So based on your criteria, you can choose this. We know ChatGPT is limited with the information till 2021, but since Bing AI is powered by GPT-4, it has access to real-time information. So here, let's ask a simple question as an example. Let's ask it to write a simple HTML program. So here we are using the chat section. You can use compose or inside option if you have any specific problem. So our output is ready. So here you can see it has generated the answer along with some explanation. Along with the answer, it has provided some links by which you can refer more about the question. And that's how you can use GPT-4 for free. There are some other websites like chat.forefront.ai or aura.ai, which you can use to access GPT-4 for free as well. You can use this Chrome extension to make use of GPT-4 features on your Chrome browser. That's all for the video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.